Hi, welcome to the Dragonfly tutorial on Explosion. The Explosion tool is underneath the Data Properties and Settings toolbar. And in order to access the Explosion, you must go to one of your data sets, and in my case, the USB drive, and it will be right below the 3D settings. So Explosion is useful for splitting your 3D image into separate sections without actually clipping any data out. So here we have the X, Y, and Z. As we increase the amount of numbers for a certain plane, then we increase the amount of sections that our 3D image is being cut into. For example, I will choose to have my 3D image cut into 3 sections on my X plane, and currently we can't see anything happening to our data yet because we haven't changed the spacing. Right now, between those 3 sections, there is 0 micrometers between them, which means that it's just the original data and it hasn't been separated. But as we increase the distance, we are adding more space in between them, and now we are finally separating our data. And as you can see, now we can see the cross sections of the USB drive. Now there is one problem. Part of our USB drive is being clipped out. This is because if we go down to the clipping tool, our USB drive is being affected by the clip box, even though the clip box might not be visible on our workspace. So I'll uncheck that, and now we can see our full USB drive. I'll just hide this. And you can also increase more, you also cut your 3D image into more sections on the y-axis and on the z-axis. This is what it would look like. And the max amount of sections that you can cut your 3D image into is 6 sections per plane. For example, if I keep pressing the increase button, it will stop at 6. So let me go back down. Now, if you want to save the product that you have here, say we just want to look at this channel right here without looking at the other ones, and we just want to focus on this one. Well, then we would save our product that we have here, and now under the dataset filter, we have created 3 channels. Now, if we hide this, you can see, let's zoom out, we just created our full USB drive again, but we can now we can look at each channel separately, so you can also just focus on one channel. Now, going back to the data set, you can easily undo all of this and just go back to your original data set by pressing the reset button, and now we're back to the full USB drive. And that's it.